Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Isa from PrintStick, and today I want to talk to you about something that really makes me passionate, which is fonts. Now, I started creating fonts the second that I realized that it's actually quite easy to do it using your iPad. Before finding this method, I was struggling finding like super expensive software that was really complicated to use on computers, and I just felt lost and I felt that I couldn't make fonts. So of course, when I found this simple software that I'm going to share with you in the class, I was so happy because in a few minutes, really, you can create your own font. With some practice, I was able to create several fonts that are now part of my shop, and I'm selling, and I'm even making money off of them. Now, I use my fonts for my own use because I really enjoy seeing my letters in my digital planning or in any text that I create. I even use my fonts to market some of my products, so that's really cool because I made it myself. Now, the software is quite easy to use. We're gonna go step by step on how to detail every letter. Even if you don't have great handwriting, I will show you the steps and the methods that you can use to adjust every letter to look exactly the way you want to. I will share with you some styles that you can use to create different types of fonts, and I will also show you how from one single font you can turn it into a font family, adding or removing weight. The class is not very long, it's less than an hour, and it's neatly divided into chapters or little lessons so that you can take it at your own pace. I'm gonna link below the fonts that I've created using this method so you can take a look if you want. The best part of all this is that you can sign up for a free trial for 2 months and get this class entirely free. You also have the option to buy the class and get permanent access. So if this is something that interests you and you would like to create your own fonts using your iPad, sign up using the link below, and I'll see you in the class.